Okay, another activity we are going to do is cylinder liner projection. Again, I mentioned here that every step, every procedure should be referred to SIS2. By the way, I already print already here. This is the guideline. Okay, the procedure there will be clearly mentioned very well. Okay, the step, the tool we have, the specification, okay, the consideration, everything there, okay. Yeah, okay. So Caterpillar will guide us the procedure to do all the step by step and sequence as per the SIS2 instruction and the testing adjusting. Okay, this is the tool we have. We have 6. Yeah, this one. Yes. Okay, the torque is 70 pound-feet for the 6 bolt there. This is 50 pound-feet. Okay, after the seg bolt there is torque, and also in the crossbar there, torque also for the 6 bolt is 70 pound-feet. Then in the crossbar there is 50 pound-feet. Then we measure the cylinder liner projection. Here should be in 0. Here 0. Here will start 0.0045. Here 0.0045. Here is 0.003. 0.003. here 0.004. 0.004 inch. Okay, now here the 4 reading there we find already. Yeah, mentioned in the specification. If you see mentioned here the specification. Here for the, because we use the aluminum spacer plate there, the spec from 0.0020 up to 0.0080. The spec 0.002 inch up to 0.008 inch. Yeah, here we find the lowest reading there. 0.003 inch. The highest reading 0.045 inch. How much the difference there? Yeah, the difference there is between 4 reading there 0.0015 inch. Yeah, so within spec. Here within spec now. Yeah, this is cylinder number. Yeah, this is cylinder number 8 cylinder 0.0015 inch. The difference between 4 reading there. So in the specification there also mentioned there between another cylinder there also should be not more than 0.002 inch. Okay. Yeah. So will be check another cylinder. Will be same procedure there. Okay. Now here the maximum difference there. Maximum difference 0.002 inch. Yeah. So this one between specification not more than 0.002 inch. Yeah. Okay, because here maximum only 0.0015 inch. Yes. Okay. Yes. So this is within specification. Okay. Then after that we will make the marking here. You will be make marking in the between liner and spacer plate. Yeah, here this one I make marking here, okay. So when fixing the cylinder liner with the filler band and with the o-ring seal there should be the same position. Okay, this is the procedure. Okay, this is the procedure for cylinder liner projection. Okay. Okay, this is the result for the cylinder number 8, cylinder liner projection, and the specification as mentioned in the SAS 2 for our engine here is should be the specification from 0.002 inch up to 0.008 inch. So should be not less than 0.002 inch and should be not more than 0.008 inch. Okay, if not getting the reading, try to rotate the cylinder liner there. Maybe will be change the reading. Okay. Then also among of the 4 reading there, the difference should be not more than 0.002 inch, the maximum. Yeah, the first reading there is 0.0045 inch. Okay, the second reading there is 0.003 inch, and the third reading there is 0.0035 inch, and the last number 4 reading there is 0.004 inch. So all of the 4 reading there is within specification. Okay, and also the second point very important here is that the amount of the 4 reading there should be not more than 0.002 inch. So the maximum difference among of the 4 reading there should be not more than 0.002 inch. The lowest reading there is 0.003 inch, and the highest reading there is 0.0045 inch. So the difference there is only 0.0015 inch. So within specification. Okay. So same procedure we should be to do for another cylinder. Okay. Thanks so much.